Top 5 Best Bosch Washing Machines. Intra's actually one of the best ones. One of the proven, top brands is Bosch. From having the higher efficiency to having significantly faster washing times than other washing machines, Bosch is the one to turn to. Number 5 Bosch WTB86200 UC 304.0 cubic foot. Custom for freeing up extra space in the laundry room. Others say it dries heavier material, such as heavy cotton, quickly, and many customers. 15 drying cycles. 6 drying options. Flexible installation. Number 4 Bosch WTG86401 UC 24500 Series Compact. This Bosch product consists of a 24 inches compact condensation dryer. Ducting is not required. Stainless steel structured drum. 4 temperature settings. Energy Star certified. Number 3 Bosch 500 Series Laundry Pair. WTG86401 UC 24 inches electric dryer in white has an Aqua Shield technology which includes a safety valve and a double-walled feed house. This technology protects against water damage. Other features include Energy Star qualification. Structured stainless steel drum. Neat and attractive design. Number 2 Bosch Washing Machine Front Load Compact. Rank. One of the features is that it has Aqua Stop Plus, which offers extra protection against water damage. Another feature is it has customized stain options that treat blood, organic oils, wine, and red wine. Has technology called Speed Perfect. One load can be up to 18 towels. Energy Star qualification. Number 1 Bosch 128401 UC 502.2 cubic foot. This product has many of the same wonderful features as the other top-line Bosch washing machines. This product is the best of the best with performance, convenience, design, and efficiency. The design is European with a large door with a silver door ring. Eco-Perfect cycle adjusted. Eco-Silence delivers long-lasting. It has 14 wash cycles.